Good afternoon from Spain. This is Ndiko's Channel TV. Farms, I have come back again today with Ogbenge news. Today we are going to discuss politics, Nigerian politics. My people, I don't understand what is happening in Nigeria. To tell you the truth, I don't understand what is happening in Nigeria. Can you imagine people that say they are ruling people? What example are you giving? What example are you giving to us, citizens? Just they are there packing money. In short, let me just take it easy because as I'm talking right now, I'm very, very, very angry. What is happening? I just opened a video yesterday night. I said, no, this morning I must come and do a video about this. Because like I told you guys, I'll be bringing a lot of things on this channel. How can Nigeria, a whole giant of Africa, Nigerian National Assembly, Abuja, because of rain, the roofs are all leaking? It means that these people, and every year, they make a budget of millions of naira. In short, they are no longer doing naira now. They are no longer dealing on naira. They are now dealing on dollars, millions of dollars for budgets. What is this? What is this? What is happening? It means that all this while, they have not been, they have not been doing anything. They have not been renovating anything. They just build house. They will leave it. Now, Amechi is busy building a train station or railway station, whatever they called it. Billions of dollars. It's not about building, but do you have that mentality of maintenance? Are you going to be able to maintain them? A whole National Assembly, Abuja, leaking. This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable. I saw this yesterday. I said, no, I cannot keep this thing to myself. I will bring it here because Nigerians need to know what is happening. Nigeria needs to know what, I think these things have been going on, but I think this Buhari's administration made people's eyes to be open. This Buhari's administration opened our eyes to see what is really happening. Or rather, internet, social media. And that is why they are doing everything possible to stop social media. How can somebody be this daft? How can people be this ignorant? How can people be this greedy? Nobody's saying anything. Nobody's doing anything. Even if you try to say or do anything, they will shut you up. This is unbelievable. I saw this video. I said, let me come out here so that to show you guys what I have seen. So watch this video so that your eyes will also see what I saw. It is, I don't even know what to quantify it with. It was so disgusting. I'm so ashamed of these people. So watch.
The chambers of the National Assembly began to leak profusely this morning following a heavy downpour in the nation's capital, Abuja. The leaking roof also spread to the press center and the Senate wing of the nation's apex legislative institution. Cleaners were deployed to place containers at the leaking spots and scoop the water from the floor. The development delayed the sitting of the senators who resumed today after a one-week break to mark the end of their second legislative year. In 2020, the leadership of the National Assembly had approved 37 billion naira for the renovation of the edifice built about 27 years ago.
Have you seen it, my people? Have you seen what I'm saying? How can a whole National Assembly, Abuja, be leaking? The way that water was leaking, the way that roof was shows that since that house has been built, there has never been any maintenance at all. There has never been any maintenance on that building. And that is the height of it. Every year they will make allocation for Asoro, for this one, for that one, for maintenance, for that. What is happening? What is happening? Has politics become pure business in Nigeria? The most painful part of it is that All these people, all these men, they do go outside Nigeria. They travel to Dubai, they travel to London, they go to America, they go to Europe, they come to Europe, they go everywhere. They see how all these countries are moving. But still, they cannot use the experiences they are gathering to at least to make their own life better. So nobody, I believe that if you ask me, 70% of Nigerians or 60% of Nigerians outside Nigeria, they are not enjoying it. They don't want to be living there. They want to come home. But because of what is happening in Nigeria, it is very, very unencouraging. It is unencouraging. What do we call this? What is this? A roof leaking, a whole National Assembly. And it's not that they are not budgeting for this place. They are budgeting. This is what I saw. And I said, my eyes cannot see this alone. Our eyes need to be opening and reopening. It's good that all these things are happening so that we will know which way tomorrow. A house that was built for so many years. Every year, every election, every year, they make allocation. They bring money for all these things. They'll pocket it. And nobody's asking any question. I think women should stand up. It's high time women stand up. Because all this one they are saying, they are carrying, Adaziani do that, Adaziani do this. It's just to bring women down. To make it feel as if if women go there, they will start packing money. But what about the men? How many men has been caught? How many Hausa men has been caught? Has been brought to book? I think this EFCC is only working for other parts of Nigeria. It's not working for the Northerners. Because I've not really seen a Northerner that has been brought to book. So my people, let me pause this thing here. I just say, let me bring this so that you people will see what is happening in our country, Nigeria. Let us join hands together and take over. Because I can see that all these old layers, they are not, because it's the same people now. How can a change come? There will be no change because it's the same people. They are recycling themselves. They are recycling themselves. If you go to that National Assembly, all you see there is old people. I think that place is like old people's house. That is where they go for retirement. You will see them, they will sit down there. Some people will be, you will see them sleeping. Some people will be there years without making any contribution, without making any good suggestion. Old people throughout. They will be the governor, they will be the senate, and they will go and retire at the National Assembly. Old people's house. So, I just say let me bring this so that we will keep on hammering on it. Even if the Nigerian television stations, they have shut them up, that they have made it so difficult for them to be saying discussing some critical things. But thank God that social media still exists. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please guys, subscribe to this channel to help me grow. We are going far. Where we are going is very, very far. Okay? Thank you for watching and God bless you. Bye.